across their enterprises. However, these common practices must be understood and be useful both within the enterprise and across multiple corporations and vendor companies because of the megatrend of teaming in large and some small programs. It is essential that the systems engineering process affect integration, balance, allocation, and verification, and be useful to the entire program team down to the design and interface level. Today, many factors overshadow new acquisition, including system of systems context, network-centric warfare and operations, and increased attention to human systems integration and the rapid growth in information technology. These factors are driving a more sophisticated systems engineering process with more complex and capable features, along with new tools and procedures. One area of increased focus of the systems engineering process is the informational systems architectural definitions used during system analysis. This process, described in the DoD Architectural Framework, DDoF-3, emphasizes greater reliance on reusable architectural views describing the system context and concept of operations, interoperability, information and data flows, and network service-oriented characteristics. 1.4. Case Studies. The systems engineering process to be used in today's complex system and system of systems projects is a process matured and founded on principles developed in the past. Examination of systems engineering principles used on programs, both past and present, can provide a wealth of lessons to be used in applying and understanding today's process. It was this thinking that led to the initiation of the Air Force Center for Systems Engineering case study effort, as well as the present continuation of that effort. The purpose of developing detailed case studies is to support the teaching of systems engineering principles. They will facilitate learning by emphasizing to the student the long-term consequences of the systems engineering and programmatic decisions on program success. The systems engineering case studies will assist in discussion of both successful and unsuccessful methodologies, processes, principles, tools, and decision material to assess the outcome of alternatives at the program/system level. In addition, the importance of using skills from multiple professions and engineering disciplines and collecting, assessing, and integrating varied functional data will be emphasized. When they are taken together, the student is provided real-world, detailed examples of how the process attempts to balance cost, schedule, and performance.
Việc ban hành DoD 5000 chỉ diễn ra vài tháng sau khi chương trình